Eastern Delicacies introduces the science of autoclave cooking and retort packing process to make food preservation chemical-free, germ-free, and easy. You can store the Takdum Takdum ready to eat, that is RTE food pouch, for 24 months. You don't need to keep it refrigerated or any other system. Just keep it on your table or any rack and forget it until you are ready to consume. This is a scientific cooking and food preservation technique using no preservative and no refrigeration. The food is finally cooked in 121 degrees centigrade temperature with 15 psi pressure. Using latest technological advancements, this ensures the food to be 100% germ-free and hygienic. This process is called autoclave sterilization or autoclave cooking. When we are packing the food, we are using 4-layer retort pouch. Retort pouch has the capability to strictly disallow germs to enter in. This ensures the food inside the pouch 100% germ-free for more than 24 months. Once our food is cooked in autoclave cooking and packed in retort pouch, it means the food inside is 100% germ-free and it will remain 100% germ-free for next 24 months. You may open the food pack any day within 24 months and consume it. The smell, aroma, taste and texture will be as good as just cooked. This is a technology-driven process approved by Food and Drug Administration of US, that is FDA USA. This process of cooking and food preservation is widely used in US and European countries. We are introducing the technology in India to help people get the ethnic food anytime, anywhere in India.